seek political asylum. Naturally, our main concern or our main task is the various sort of project regarding preservation of Tibetan spirituality, Tibetan culture, Tibetan identity.
I have never seen Tibet, I have never seen performance in Tibet, and I'm born in exile in India. So it's a very hard time for me.
제단에 선음 최고야 전달업디 부만구 요래 부모만구 요래 따디게 나래야 깨야 또 최초 깨래 깨디 약로 냐하고 거래 탑지 약로 냐하고 거래 아니 소소 쿠르스네 소소 쿠르치야 줘봐.
But I will, until now, I don't accept myself as a good opera master. I still think I'm learning because I'm just always, every time I take classes these days, I teach opera to the younger artists and senior artists of Tipa. But still, whenever I teach something, I go to him, bring him, I let them perform for him until he is satisfied. In exile, Tibetan opera master has a big responsibility. Because you see, His Holiness the Dalai Lama says, opera is the heart of Tibetan.
These are traditionally very, very helpful, not only just a performance or for entertainment, but also they carry some message of comfort.
No!